Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change a VW gear knob. First, gather your tools, a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and your new gear knob. Ensure your car is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. We'll cover removal, installation, and final checks. Now, let's remove the old gear knob. Gently pry up the gear gaiter or boot to expose the base. Look for a retaining clip or collar. Some models twist off, while others pull straight up. Apply firm, steady pressure, but avoid excessive force to prevent breaking any plastic components. Once loose, the knob should slide off the shifter shaft. With the old knob removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully align the new gear knob with the shifter shaft, ensuring it's oriented correctly. Push down firmly and evenly until you feel it click or seat securely into place. Some knobs may require a slight twist to lock. Reattach the gaiter, making sure it's neatly fitted around the base. Before you hit the road, perform a few final checks. Gently tug on the new gear knob to ensure it's firmly attached and doesn't wobble. Then, with the engine off, cycle through all the gears to confirm smooth engagement and proper function. Your new gear knob should feel secure and enhance your driving experience. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.